Barcodes save time, reduce errors, help improve your customer service, and give your business a competitive advantage. There are several different types, styles, and options of barcode scanners on the market today. Not to mention, actual barcode types, or symbologies, as we call them. It can be very overwhelming making a business decision on which barcode technology fits your business best, especially if you're not informed with the right options and impacts of each barcode scanner. Unitech designs and manufactures a complete line of reliable, performance-driven, high-value barcode scanners for every business need. Let's look how you might use these barcode scanners in real business situations. The MS100 is a pen scanner that is used by businesses who work off a menu or an order sheet of barcodes. Since there are several barcodes on one menu sheet, the operator of the scanner must have control over which exact barcode they want to scan. The Unitech MS100 provides that control to help the user scan effectively. The MS180 and MS210 are both contact scanners that are typically used for non-harsh environments with low volume scanning, and where low-cost reliability is needed to get fast ROI. These handheld scanners are used in libraries for scanning books and also convenience stores for customer checkout scanning. The MS146 barcode scanner is also known as a swipe reader because it can read barcodes by swiping them through the scanner. These scanners are popular in health clubs where members have membership cards that can easily be swiped through the slot reader of the MS146. The MS320 is a handheld barcode scanner that is typically used in warehouse applications, where reading range and durability are needed. These scanners can also be used in a hands-free or presentation style in retail point of sales. Similar to the MS320, the MS380 and MS910 are both barcode scanners without a cord. Cordless scanners give users the ability to travel away from the device to scan a barcode and connect seamlessly to devices that typically do not have a barcode scanner, like an Android or iPhone. The MS380 is designed for convenient cordless scanning and is used in hardware or wholesale stores, where scanning big and bulky items happens frequently. And the MS910 has a micro design that is perfect for the businessman on the go. So why should you choose Unitech scanners? Because over 25 years of experience, Unitech has designed barcode scanners with these three goals in mind. Reliability. Unitech has a first-year defective rate of less than 0.1%. At Unitech, we set the bar high. Performance. Unitech knows that barcode scanners must perform their job over long periods of time to ensure good returns on your investment. At Unitech, our focus is performance. Value. Unitech understands that every dollar saved has a big impact on the success of any business. Unitech is a low-cost leader by design.